The Sutra of Ksitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 4. Karmic Retributions of Beings of Jambudvipa. That Buddha's lifespan was 60,000 eons. Before he became a monk, he was the king of a small country and was friendly with the king of a neighboring country. Both of them practiced the 10 wholesome acts and benefited beings. Because the citizens of those 2 neighboring countries did many bad things, the 2 kings made a plan, using far-reaching expedients. One king vowed to quickly become a Buddha, and then cross over absolutely all the others. The other king vowed, "I do not want to become a Buddha until I first take across all those who are suffering for their offenses, enable them to gain peace, and finally to reach Bodhi." The Buddha told the Bodhisattva, Samadhi, self-mastery king, "The king who vowed to become a Buddha quickly is all knowledge accomplished, thus come one. The king who vowed to keep crossing over beings who are suffering for their offenses, rather than to become a Buddha, is Earth-store Bodhisattva." Another time, limitless asamkhya eons ago, a Buddha named Pure Lotus Eyes, thus come one, appeared in the world. His lifespan was 40 eons. In his Dharma lineage age, an arhat who had blessings from rescuing beings met a woman named Bright Eyes, who offered a meal to him, once while he was teaching and transforming beings. "What is your wish?" asked the arhat. Bright Eyes replied, "On the day of my mother's death, I performed meritorious deeds for her rescue, but I do not know where my mother is now." Sympathizing with her, the arhat entered into samadhi to contemplate and saw that Bright Eyes' mother had fallen into a bad destiny, where she was undergoing extreme suffering. The arhat asked, "Bright Eyes, what karma did your mother commit while alive that makes her now have to undergo such terrible suffering in a bad destiny?" Bright Eyes replied, "My mother enjoyed eating fish, turtles, and the like. She especially liked to fry or broil the eggs of fish and turtles. Every time she ate those, she took thousands of lives. O Venerable One, please be compassionate and tell me how she can be saved." The arhat took pity on Bright Eyes and used a skillful means. He urged Bright Eyes, saying, "With sincere resolve be mindful of Pure Lotus Eyes, thus come one, and also make carved and painted images of him. By doing so, both the living and the dead will be rewarded."